Here are some tips for your home facial night.
When you're getting your towels ready for your facial, if you want to put them in the crock pot, I like this size because you can wrap the whole face. So what you do is you're going to fold it over and roll it, then take it under the sink and get it wet with hot water. Get it nice and wet. And then squeeze out the excess water and place it in your crock pot. Okay, so once you pull your towel out of the crock pot, it should be comfortably warm. If it's hot, you'll need to cool it down by airing it a little bit. I can show you how to do that. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold it just like this, get it around the face, and then do a little squeeze. It feels really good. It feels good with the warm towels and with the chilled towels. You're gonna take it off. You can wrap it around your hand to remove any cleansers or enzyme. And that's how it's done. So when you do your hand massage, you can use any lotion that you like. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with the hand and you're going to put pressure in the middle of the palm and pull it out. And then you'll go up the arm the same way. And then you can go, when they don't relax, you can kind of push down their elbow. And then what you're gonna do is just kind of do that same motion up and down their arm. You can also turn it around and do the same thing. And the way I like to finish the massage is to interlace the fingers and kind of move the wrist. Hope that helps.